to our workplace, Sir D.
Happy birthday, Sir Socaldito!
Enjoy your day!
From the Records Management Unit, happy birthday, Sir Noy! More blessings and birthdays to come!
Happy birthday, Sir Noy. We wish you good health and happiness on your special day.
Happy birthday!
Keep going, keep shining! Happy birthday, Sir D. Socaldito!
Happy birthday, Dinoy! Wishing you good health, happiness, and continued success. Happy birthday, Sir Nonoy! Wishing you prosperity, good health, and success in your leadership. From Planning and Design Section. Peace and love.
Dinoy, wishing you happiness, good health, and lots of success. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, Dinoy!
62nd birthday, Dinoy!
Wishing you good health, happiness, and continued success. Thank you for your inspiring leadership and dedication to service.
From your maintenance family, we love! Happy birthday, Iggy Emilio Noy Socaldito Jr. May your birthday be the start of a new chapter, filled with opportunities and happiness from everyone. Happy birthday, Dinoy! May you have more blessings, good health, and continued success. Happy birthday, Sir Noy! Thank you for your exceptional leadership and guidance. Wishing you a year filled with continued success. God bless!
Good day, everyone. Happy birthday, District Engineer Emilio Socaldito Jr. It is truly an honor to know someone as humble and down-to-earth as you. Your dedication, responsibility, and commitment to your duties as a public servant are truly admirable. You have always shown generosity and kindness to the people around you, making a positive impact wherever you go. Maraming salamat po, my kuya, kumpare, our District Engineer Nonoy Socaldito Jr. for giving me this opportunity and guiding me as your Assistant District Engineer. Rest assured, my support to your administration. And I am grateful to have been your classmate during the District Engineer course candidates and in the promotional exam. It's a privilege to have shared those moments with you. Wishing you good health, continued success, and more blessings in the years ahead. May you continue to inspire others through your service and character. Again, happy 62nd birthday, Kuya Nonoy Socaldito Jr.
Happy birthday, Chief! Kaway pa, madamo pa din nga birthday ang abot sa imo. Hoping for humble no more. Get out!
Kumusta na kayo mga kasama? Sana masaya kayong lahat ngayon sa kaarawan ni Sir Nonoy. Alam nyo, tuwang-tuwa ako at napakasaya ko. At nagkasama-sama tayo ng mahigit 1 taon sa Davao City. At ito ay lagi kong baon ng mga pinagsamahan natin kahit saan ako mapunta. Dahil ito ay party na ng buhay ko. Maraming salamat, Sir Noy, sa pagsuporta mo sa mga programa natin sa Davao City District Engineering Office. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang eagerness mo at enthusiasm na mapabilis ang mga dapat nating gawin sa Davao City, bagamat kundi ang pondo natin ay na-accomplish naman natin na ma-disburse ang mga prior years na napakarami, at nang ako ay umalis dyan ay kukunti na lang ang mga bayarin natin sa mga kliyente natin. Alam mo, Sir Noy, alam ko tuwang-tuwa kayo dyan, no? If ever I have to live again, sana ay makilala rin kayong muli, no? Pero hindi na sa edad natin, siyempre na late 50s na ako nang makilala ko kayo. Ang gusto ko sana, if I ever to live again, all over again, ay gusto ko siguro nung kabataan natin, sana nung tayo nagkakakilala, di ba? Para mas matatag ang samahan natin. Yun bang si Sir Noy ay may lihim na pagtingin halimbawa kay Ma'am Gigi, di ba? Dahil magkakabarkada kayo nung mga bata pa kayo. Tapos si Ma'am Tintin, si Ma'am Tyne ay kapag napipikon, umiiyak. At si Sir Bobby, lagi nating inaawat kapag nagkikipag-away sa mga kalaro natin, di ba? At si Ma'am Jocelyn naman ay umaawat, di ba? Oh. Tapos si Sir Nelson naman, syukotan niya si Sir Elaine, yung mga gano'n. Tapos si Sir Neil naman ay kasama rin natin, di ba? Oh. Maraming salamat sa inyo, lalo sa iyo, Sir Noy, no, na ang pagsunod noong ako ang namumuno sa District Engineering Office ay sinusunod nyo yung mga programa na gusto ko, di ba? Bilang coach nyo ay sinusunod nyo yung mga set play natin. Sa bagay, wala naman kayong ibang option kung hindi sumunod, or else. Sana masaya kayo dyan, bagamat I am not personally present, ay kaisa nyo ako sa pagdiriwang ng kaarawan ni Sir Noy. Kaya, happy birthday, Sir Noy! Thank you! Mabuhay kayo!